everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. This is OLAPLEX number 7 bonding oil. This came out not too long ago, maybe about like 2 months ago, and if you guys have been following me for a while, then you would have known or you would have seen that I did a Sephora haul, and in that haul I showed you guys a product. And I was talking to you guys about how I wanted to replace my It's a 10 hair care that product for something else, and I tried this out. I fell in love with it, and I just wanted to show you guys how I personally use it and give you guys a review on the product in today's video. And I'm just going to be applying it to my hair and everything. This is the after, so obviously my hair is like already dry and stuff. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I use it and if it works for me, if it might work for you guys, then please keep on watching. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload. And also follow me down below on my social media, and if you guys want to see how I feel about OLAPLEX number 7 bonding oil, then please keep on watching. So my hair obviously looks crazy. I just washed and dried, took a shower basically, and I did my makeup for this video obviously, but I wanted to show you guys how I personally have been how I have been using and loving this product. So obviously I'm going to be showing you guys how I personally use and basically a review of how it works for me. The OLAPLEX number 7 bonding oil, you guys. So if you guys have been following me for a while, then you would know that I posted I believe a Sephora haul is what it was, maybe about a month ago. I'll have it linked down below if you guys haven't watched it and you guys want to go watch that. But I actually showed this in the haul, and when I showed it in the haul, I think this is a really fairly new item, because I remember I walked into Sephora and this was like one of the, you know how like they have like the displays and everything of like the new items. This was like one of the first items there, and there was this display along with the other like OLAPLEX products. And so I was really intrigued by it because, I don't know, it's just cute. First of all, it's like in this nice little clear little bottle, and then it's like gold, you know, like well, yellow basically. And so it says bonding oil, and I have actually been looking also for other products to try out, because I had previously been using the It's a 10 leave-in miracle hair treatment, I think that's what it's called. And I actually really do like that product, but I discovered that like it wasn't vegan and I wanted a vegan product. And so I saw this, and it's basically like a hair protector, like against heat protectant, and it has other benefits. I'll read them for you guys just because I don't want to like give you guys like false information, so I'm just gonna look it up real quick on the website. I have it on the website, and it just says OLAPLEX number 7 bonding oil. When I go into details, it says what it is. It says a first of its kind, highly concentrated, ultra lightweight reparative styling oil. It says it is for straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair texture, fine, medium, and thick. It says for hair benefits, protects color, fights frizz, and provides heat protection, which is what I was looking for, because I had also picked up in that haul, I showed you guys that I had also picked up, I think it was the Bumble and Bubble like hair oil, but I ended up really liking this one. And basically it just says words that I can't pronounce. It says bis amino propyl diglycol dimel, I don't know how to say that. So it says works by finding singles, because I know that for all of the OLAPLEX products, because I actually also own the OLAPLEX number 3, I know they use like some science-based technology to help like really like repair your hair. It's what everyone always says. So it says works by finding single sulfur hydrogen bonds and cross-linking them back together to form disulfide bonds. Disulfide bonds are broken via chemical, thermal, and mechanical processes, including brushing and combing the hair. Gives hair superior strength by repairing broken disulfide bonds and anti-breakage properties. And for the other ingredients, it says Vitis vinifera, which is grapeseed oil, which I actually love grapeseed oil. I actually use that as like a moisturizer. So it says rich in anti-aging compounds including beta-carotene, vitamins D, C, and E, essential fatty acids, and polyphenols to protect and nourish hair. And for the third main ingredient, it says fermented green tea oil, nutrition for hair. It says Korean skincare uses fermented oils due to superior absorption and performance benefits, improves feel, absorption, and compatibility. So it says this product is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. And it says OLAPLEX No. 7 repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. It dramatically increases shine, softness, and color vibrancy while minimizing flyaways and heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great because lately I've been, you know, like blow drying my hair a lot, and then like just going over and straightening the areas that I need to like straighten. So it's been really great for that. And it says it works on all hair types and textures. And it just says it has a clean seal at Sephora. So that is basically the huge description that comes. I know I also still have a little box somewhere, but I thought I would just read it straight from the website for you guys. So yeah, I was really intrigued, and obviously you guys know you can test things out at Sephora. So obviously, like, I first like felt it in my hands and I smelled it and everything, and I've heard that like other OLAPLEX products are really great, so I just really wanted to give this one a try because I know it was like a hype. So this is what it looks like, and I really love this product, you guys. It's so nice, it smells nice, and I've been using it honestly since that video. So about a month now I use it. What I do personally is right after, you know, like I take a shower or I wash my hair, right after when it's damp, which is right about now, that's why it looks all crazy, but this is me with damp hair. Like the top parts of my hair right now are dry because I was doing my makeup, so during that time like my roots dry super quick and fastest obviously, but the rest of my hair is still very damp. I haven't like brushed it, no product has been on it, just shampoo and conditioner because that's all I really use in the shower. So no product has touched my hair. This is just straight, you know, out of the shower, damp hair. So I'm going to show you guys what I like to do. So like I said, I really do like this product. So basically it's just like this. You just open it up and you take some of the product, and it's like this tiny little like circle. I don't even know how to say it, but it just basically, you just like go like this and product pumps out, and like you guys can see, I'll do a close-up in a second so you guys can really see it, but it's just yellow and obviously, and it smells really nice. I don't know how to explain it, but I can definitely smell the green tea in there and the grapeseed oil. Like it smells really fresh, like a really earthy scent, but not too earthy where it's like kind of disgusting, you know? Like guys, I know some products I have smelled and they're like really like strong earthy scents, but this is like a really nice like clean one. So what I do is basically I just take a little bit of product, about how much I showed you guys, and I'm gonna take a little bit more, and then I just, you know, mix it up. And then what I'll do is I'll just add it to like the bottoms of my hair first, and as you guys can see, I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but like it immediately adds like a lot of shine, like you guys can see like right there. And I'll obviously really go into the ends, and because obviously that's, you know, where I really want to like hydrate the most, you know, like the ends of my hair. So I'll just do that, and I don't really like do sections or anything. I just put it all over evenly like throughout my hair. So that's what I like to do personally, and it smells so nice, you guys. I really do like this so much. And so basically I just do that, you know, same on the other side, and really, you know, like get the ends like right here. So I really try and get the ends, and it smells so nice, and I feel like immediately it really does leave a shine, like you guys can see like the shine right there. And not only that, but like it's great that it also is like a heat protecting, because like I said, when I was switching over and trying to find another product similar to the it's a 10 one, that's like something I really wanted, like something that had the same, almost like the same amount of benefits, but something that also was like a heat protecting, because that's kind of why I bought it, because I was like, I just want to try this out. So I ended up really liking it, which I'm really glad, obviously. And I think this actually retails for about $28, so I would say it is kind of pricey for the amount of product that you get, because this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. But honestly, you guys, I've used this for about a month, and with the amount of times that like I am using heat, and I actually always use this right after the shower, like every single time. And I wash my hair, I would say about, lately it's probably been about like 2 to 3 times a month, because my hair honestly doesn't get super oily super quick, and I have a lot of hair, as you guys can see, so it's like a whole process for me to like, you know, like wash it and have to like blow dry and then straighten. So because of that reason, it lasts a good amount of time whenever I do. So that's why I personally like wash and dry and use this about 2 to 3 times a week, and it's lasted me about a month. And you guys can see, like, you can barely tell that I've even used it. Like, it's almost like if I haven't used it at all, which is crazy because I use it a lot actually. But I just get the amount of product that I showed you guys, and that's enough to cover, like, personally, like my full head of hair. But like I said, I only use it at the bottoms. But I really do like it, and I think personally, like, I wouldn't use it like really like up here, because if I do, I feel like it's gonna get really oily, and I don't want my hair to get oily. So I personally like to use this product really around like the ends of my hair, and it leaves it really soft, you guys, and it's so nice. It smells nice. It's amazing. I really do love this product. So yeah, that's kind of what I think about it. I really do like it, and personally, obviously, like, I'll do that, and then I'll go in and I'll blow dry my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and straighten my hair, because I mean, that's what I do after applying the oil anyway. Yeah, that's what I do after applying the oil anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry my hair, and honestly, I usually don't use any other products other than that, except an oil that I did make, which will be another video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and straighten it, and I will be back to show you guys what the oil looks like. So this is what my hair looks like. I just finished blow drying. I actually didn't even straighten it because I have these little I actually didn't even end up straightening it because it's pretty straight, which is surprising. Sometimes it turns out a little bit more wavy, or I mean wavy, but today my hair decided to be nice to me, so I'm not gonna straighten it. It's pretty straight, as you guys can see. I naturally have straight hair, so thank God I don't have to straighten it right now, because it gets really wavy sometimes, but it's not right now, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. But yeah, you guys, it's really, really nice and soft, especially after blow drying, because I feel like the product like soaks in to like my hair. So I really like that. It's so nice and soft, especially like the ends. Sometimes I feel like if I were to like blow dry my hair and not use the OLAPLEX, then I feel like it would be a little bit more dry. But obviously, since I showed you guys in the beginning, I used it more towards the end, so it's really nice and soft and moisturized, especially towards the end, which I'm really, really happy about, because that's where I really need, you know, like the moisture, especially because my hair is pretty dried out, I feel like, right now. So yeah, that's kind of how it turned out. And yeah, and I actually have to like probably re-dye my hair soon because it's like turning really brown. But yeah, you guys, that is how I personally like to use this product. I use it every single time after I like have cleaned my hair, and when it's damp, like I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, that's when I personally like to use it. I'm not sure if you can actually use this on dry hair. I think you should be able to, but personally I really love how it comes out when it's damp. And sometimes if I do put too much product, I think I put a little bit too much right now, but sometimes if I do, it gets kind of oily like up here. But then it like by the second day it goes away, but it does if I put too much product. So I try to be careful and not get a lot of product and really focus it on the ends, like I showed you guys in the beginning of this video how I personally like to use it. So yeah, I really do love this product. I love it, and it's amazing too that I've been using it for a month and you can't even like tell that I've used it at all. So that's really great. It's vegan, cruelty free, it smells really nice. It really does smell like the the grapeseed oil and like the green tea, but it's not so like earthy, like I said. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but there are products that like claim to be like all green and then they have like a really like a really earthy, like strong scent, but I love that this one doesn't. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I have other videos linked down below if you guys want to watch it and keep watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave a like, leave a comment, whatever you guys want. Also, you can follow me down below on my social media. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely be sure to do more reviews because I really love doing reviews. I really get to tell you guys how I like use a product, if I like it, if I don't like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.